Hey y'all, join me while we unbox the Warmbond new Bondstove Mini. Welcome back to Tent and Lantern, your go-to spot for all things camping. Today I am super excited to share something that is going to level up all of our camping setups, especially those of you who like to get as much juice for the squeeze out of your gear. This is the new Warmbond new Bondstove Mini. And I don't know about you, but I've been seeing this thing all over my social feed, so of course I had to get one. You know, for you guys, not for me, but for you. One of the coolest things about the new Stove Mini is the versatility with fuel. You can use pellets, wood, twigs, charcoal. You can even use liquid fuel. I've heard you can even use Everclear. I'll give that a try. And you're supposed to be able to use this and get a completely smokeless fire, so we'll see about that. It comes with a removable ash pan and a grill rack, so you can use it for cooking, for heating up your morning coffee, whatever. I can't wait to take this out on our next camping trip. If you're excited about this as I am, please be sure to subscribe and hit that like button, and we may have a cooking demo coming up for you. Next up is an essential step when using any new stove, the first burn. This is super important because it will get rid of any factory coatings or residues that might be left on the stove. To do this, set your stove up outdoors in a well-ventilated area. Then let your stove burn at a kind of medium-high flame for about 30 minutes. And you might notice some smoke or odors during this time. Don't worry, that's completely normal. You'll also notice that I put that metal collar back on. That is to protect the outer ceramic coating from the heat and the flame. Now, before we wrap up, I have to show you something really cool. If you're like me and you like a versatile cooking setup, you'll be thrilled to know that the CampingMoon folding grill rack fits over it like it was made for it. Just look at this perfect fit. It's like they were made to be together. That's it for today's unboxing and demo, folks. What do you think of the new Bondstove Mini and that CampingMoon folding rack fits so perfectly on there? I'd love to get your thoughts down in the comments. Please be sure to leave a like. You know that we love y'all. Stay safe, stay wild, and wander often.